Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer your WhatsApp chats from your old phone to a new one without using Google Drive. This method allows you to transfer your chat history privately without relying on cloud storage. So let's get started. First, start by opening the WhatsApp app on your primary phone. Ensure that your WhatsApp app is up to date. In the WhatsApp app, tap the three dots icon located at the top right corner to access the menu. From the menu, tap on Settings. Within WhatsApp Settings, scroll down to find the Chats option and tap on it. Among the chat settings, you'll see an option labeled Transfer Chats. Tap on Transfer Chats to begin the process. WhatsApp will display a prompt for transferring chat history to an Android phone. This transfer will allow you to have your most up-to-date messages without using Google Drive. It will require certain device permissions for the transfer process. Tap Start to initiate the chat transfer process. WhatsApp will instruct you to scan a QR code to transfer chats between devices. You'll need to download WhatsApp on your new phone and register it with the same phone number. Download WhatsApp on your new phone and follow the registration process. You'll be asked to enter the phone number you're using on your old phone. After verifying your phone number, WhatsApp will inform you that you can transfer chat history from your old phone. Use the camera on your old phone to scan the QR code displayed on your new phone to continue the transfer. Make sure to accept the required permissions. WhatsApp will request permissions to access nearby Wi-Fi devices, and your device must have Wi-Fi and location services turned on. Tap Continue. Allow WhatsApp to access nearby Wi-Fi devices by tapping Continue. Make sure both old and new phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and tap Allow. Now, you'll need to scan the QR code with your old phone by opening WhatsApp on your old device and scanning the code on the new one. Accept the invitation to connect. Your old phone will send the invitation to connect to your new phone. Accept this invitation on your new device. The transfer process will begin, and your chat history and media will be transferred to your new phone. Once completed, tap Done on your old phone. Follow the on-screen instruction on your new phone to complete the setup. This will include verifying your phone number. Once the transfer is complete, you'll be informed that your chat history and media are now available on your new phone. Tap Next to proceed. And that's it. Your WhatsApp chat history has been successfully transferred from your old phone to your new one without using Google Drive. I hope this video was helpful and that you can now easily transfer your WhatsApp chats to a new device without relying on your Google Drive. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!